Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and you want to use or set up your Wi-Fi hotspots, let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for connections or more connections, tap on it, and here you'll get the hotspot, tap on it. Here's the Wi-Fi hotspot, just tap on it. And here you can easily set up your hotspot. Just tap on it and your hotspot will be enabled. Here your hotspot name, you can easily edit it, and here's the hotspot password. You can change it to which you want. If you want to share your hotspot with QR, here's the QR code. Just tap on it, then verify yourself. And here, in this way, you can easily set up and use your Wi-Fi hotspot on Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.